Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jollof Evalastin. Today, it's a different kind of video because I have a friend of mine here who will be cooking a delicious meal for us.
Hey guys, my name is Amir, aka Chef Rayane. I'm from Benin Republic.
Okay, so Amir, what are you cooking for us today?
I'm cooking riz Creole.
That is Creole rice.
Yeah,
right?
Creole rice.
Well, I'm looking forward to taste it. You know, I love me good food. So.
Okay.
Is this kind of rice, is it different from something like, you know, Nigerian jollof rice, fried rice, or why is it different? What's the deep, like, do you understand what I mean?
Yes, of course, it is different than jollof and fried rice. It's not the same thing. That's why we call it Creole rice. I think you will see if we are cooking.
Okay. Is there a particular rice we have to use to cook this kind of food?
I don't think so. But,
so we can use any rice?
We can use any rice, but I think the best rice is basmati rice. Exactly, basmati rice.
Well,
on passe à la cuisson.
Yes, let's go to the kitchen.
You all know what I'm after. I'm on minus chapter. Why you asking me out for? I am G, you know my before she's a and
Guys, this is my first time of trying this, and this is really amazing. Oh my god. You know what? Thank you for watching because I need to focus on this food. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe,
like, share, and make sure you cook something like this. Try it. You know what? Bye.